Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to manage notification settings in WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: from your WhatsApp home menu, tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on notifications, and from here you can change your message notification tone. You can turn on and off vibration for your message notification. Also, you can turn on and off pop-up notification, and you can enable and disable reaction notifications. And here you'll find your group notification options, so you can change your group notification tone, vibration, pop-up notification, and also the reaction notification. And after that you will get here the calls notification. So if you want to change the call ringtone, then tap on this ringtone and here select any ringtone for your WhatsApp call. Also you can tap on this vibrate to on and off and customize the vibration of your WhatsApp calls. So that's how we can manage notification settings in WhatsApp. If this video helpful, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.